This is a review of the SYLVOX 15.6-inch Smart Under Cabinet TV, brought to you by Reviewsinsidetv. Imagine having a full-feature smart TV tucked discreetly under your kitchen cabinet, ready when you want it, out of the way when you don't. That's exactly what this 15.6-inch flip-down 360-degree rotating television promises. Entertainment meets practicality without eating up countertop space. At its core, this SYLVOX model runs Google TV, so you can install your preferred apps, stream recipes, watch your favorite shows, or even call up YouTube tutorials while you cook. The screen is 1/1920 x 1080 Full HD, with a wide 178 degrees horizontal and vertical viewing angle, and an 8-bit color panel capable of displaying roughly 16.7 million colors. That means pretty vivid visuals even from off to the side. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, and Bluetooth 5.0, so you can stream from devices or connect external speakers. One of its standout mechanical design features is the ability for the screen to flip down 90 degrees from its mount and rotate fully around. This flexibility lets you position it just where you need it, whether mounted under a cabinet, on a roof, or even in an RV or yacht. It has a built-in LED clock display, and you can set a cooking timer for 15 to 60 minutes. Very handy when juggling pots and pans. Power-wise, it supports both DC 12 volts with a wide input range of 9 to 32 volts and AC 100 to 240 volts, making it suitable for standard kitchens or mobile setups. The viewing experience is rounded off with stereo speakers and ports including HDMI, USB, and antenna input. In real-world use, setting this TV up felt like installing a small appliance rather than a conventional TV. I mounted it under a cabinet with the provided screws. SYLVOX recommends a minimum bottom clearance of around 265 millimeters to allow the screen to flop down without hitting anything. Once installed, pairing it to Wi-Fi and signing into Google TV was straightforward. The remote works well, though you can also use voice commands via Google Assistant, which is especially useful when your hands are covered in flour. Watching recipe videos, my experience was smooth. The 1080p resolution delivered crisp, readable ingredients, while the 178-degree viewing angle meant I could glance up from almost any corner of the kitchen without losing clarity. Streaming from an iPhone via casting was seamless, and video playback felt fluid, though the 60 Hz refresh rate means it's not built for ultra-fast gaming. The built-in stereo speakers were serviceable for dialogue-heavy shows or cooking tutorials, but as others have noted, the audio lacks bass and can sound a little tinny at higher volumes. There are definite strengths here. First, the space-saving design is brilliant. Folding up when not in use really clears up your kitchen real estate. The Google TV system offers flexibility, with access to thousands of apps, Chromecast built-in, and voice control via Google Assistant. The 1080p Full HD display with wide viewing angles means decent image quality even in a compact form. Power versatility, DC and AC, is a smart touch for use beyond just a fixed kitchen installation. On the flip side, sound quality is not a strong point. For richer audio, you might need external speakers. While the flip-down and rotating mechanism is clever, its long-term durability is an open question. Small mechanical parts can wear over time. Also, some users mention that the timer and touch controls feel a little basic. In addition, while the wide input voltage is useful, the DC power requirement might complicate things if you're only used to standard plugs. In terms of value for money, this TV sits in an interesting niche. It's more expensive than a basic small smart TV, but what you're paying for is really the form factor and design, not just the screen. Compared to similar flip-down or under-cabinet TVs, SYLVOX's implementation of Google TV, its build quality, and its dual power compatibility make it stand out. If you compared it to buying a cheap tablet just to mount under a cabinet, this feels more durable and purpose-built. But if you only want occasional video while cooking, the price may feel steep. As for alternatives, some fixed small smart TVs give you similar picture quality for less, but you'll lose the rotating and folding convenience. On the other hand, portable 12-watt monitors or TVs designed for caravans might be lighter or cheaper, but they often lack Google TV integration or the refined design of SYLVOX's model. Talking about build quality and longevity, the housing feels solid, and the hinge mechanism for flipping down seems robust. The plastic feels durable, and the screen is protected when folded up. SYLVOX isn't a household name giant, but their reputation for these small niche TVs is growing, and they back this product with support. That said, I've seen some user reports online, especially on their outdoor TV lines, that customer service can be patchy. So while there's no guarantee the mechanism will stay perfect after years of use, for most typical kitchen or RV setups, it should hold up. I personally haven't had to reach out to SYLVOX support during testing, but looking through user feedback, there are mixed experiences. Some praise their responsiveness, others claim that dealing with repairs or warranty claims isn't always smooth, especially if shipping is involved. This device doesn't seem to rely on frequent firmware updates in a way that changes core TV behavior. Once the Google TV system is set up, you get the standard patching you'd expect from a Google-powered TV. SYLVOX doesn't push out major OS updates directly very often, so the long-term feature roadmap is mostly tied to Google's TV ecosystem rather than SYLVOX itself. Putting it all together, this is a highly specialized TV that does exactly what it sets out to do: give you a compact, space-saving, smart entertainment solution for tight spaces like kitchens, RVs, or bedrooms. Its flexibility in mounting, good picture quality, and smart OS make it very compelling if those are your priorities. It's not the loudest TV out there, and the price premium is noticeable, but for what it offers, it's a very thoughtful design. If you spend time in your kitchen, love watching tutorials or catching up on shows while cooking, or want a dedicated TV in a small space without clutter, the SYLVOX 15.6-inch under-cabinet smart TV is a strong pick. If you're after cinematic sound or a larger screen, you might want to look elsewhere or supplement with external speakers. Thanks for sticking around to hear my thoughts. If you've got questions or you've already used this TV, drop a comment and share what you think. The link to check this model out is in the comments box. Goodbye till next time. Stay tuned inside Reviews Inside TV.